In this video, we are going to configure 3 different screens in 3 different sizes with a single processor. Processor with supported layers, VX400 2 layers, VX600 3 layers, VX1000 3 layers, 4K Prime 3 layers. To do the configuration, imagine 3 different screens in 3 different sizes as a single screen. Only after that do we set the layers. Here we are doing this procedure in a limited setup. We are using 3 different cabinets as screens to do the configuration. The first one is G-Max 192x192 resolution. The next one is G Pro 3.9, and the resolution is 128x128. And the last one is GLaDOS 3.6 with 160x160 resolution. Open Nova LCT like we saw in our previous tutorial video. After selecting the Screen Connection tab, open the Enable Mapping. Thereafter, enter the number of columns in the row here and do the configuration as follows. Select the first cabinet, G-Max, and enter its resolution, 192x192. Then select the second cabinet, the G Pro 3.9, and the resolution 128x128. And lastly, select the third cabinet, GLaDOS 3.6, with a 160x160 resolution. Then send it to hardware and then click OK. After sending the information, it will save automatically. After the information is saved, we can close the mapping. Now we can check whether it becomes a single screen when we drag the mouse pointer. Now this screen continuation is coming to the next screen, even if we are using 3 different cabinets, and that too in 3 different sizes. Now it has been configured as a single screen. Once done with the configuration, close the Nova LCT software. In this setup, the scale function is enabled. Here we will enable the layers function of the processor to organize different screens. We can set layers by using the front panel of the processor, or we can use VCAN software. Here we are going to use VCAN software. First, we are opening the VCAN software. When it opens, it will automatically detect the connected controller. Note, when we can, the open processor front panel will be locked. Now we are going to set layers according to the screen resolution. So here layer 1, L1, will be opened by default. The green color symbol represents the dedicated input. After that, we will set the resolution according to screen 1, and we can control the layer properties in the layer section. We can drag and drop the selected input signal to the screen area, and layer 2, L2, will be opened. After that, we will set the resolution according to screen 2 and do the offsets. Or we can copy and paste the layer by using keyboard shortcut keys like Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to open the other layer. Similarly, layers 2 and 3 are configured by the resolution of the screens. In the layer section, we can control the offset by using X and Y, and also the resolution by width and height. We will use the similar properties for screen 2 and screen 3. Now we can control the desired input in any of the screens by right-clicking on the desired layers. Now 3 screens are set. We can select the input source as per our requirements.